So memories may just simply arise. That which is called memories may just simply pop up. There's no separated you making them pop up or down or something else in between. There's no you separated to do anything with memories. Just memories arising, as is the claim that memories are arising and falling and fading. And there may be a sense that the memory has something to do with you, that it's your memory, the memory of your wedding, the memory of your childhood, the memory of your trauma, of your suffering, of your happiness, the memory of the past. And it's all just simply this. Calling this a memory, calling this a thought, calling this an idea, calling this bullshit, calling this inquiry, calling this self-reflection, or whatever. It's already just simply this. This is it. Crying, laughing, beliefs, disbeliefs. It's already just simply what it is. And believing there's a you for whom this is playing, the so-called memory or this life, which is this already, of course. What else? It's just this. This is it. And taking this serious, claiming this to be the moment, this to be the only true moment. You have to stay in it. You cannot leave it. You have to be conscious about it. It's just this. And it's hard. It's so goddamn hard to stay in this. It's hard to stay in the belief, in the feeling, in the claim that there's a you as a separated someone able to stay in this, whatever this seems to be. Stay in this belief, stay in this suggesting, stay in this life, stay in this moment, when there's already no separation. But then again, the caring for all this, the caring if there is separation, if there is not separation, or the belief that there is separation or no separation, or the belief there is a me or no me, or that it's all me, or that I am nothing appearing as everything, all that may just simply become irrelevant, uninteresting. The caring may just simply drop out of it. And of course this is just more bullshit. Caring is already not in something. But then again, it doesn't matter. If caring is in something, or you are the one caring, or there's no you caring, or caring is just what seems to be happening or not, it doesn't change shit. It doesn't do anything. You cannot buy a bread with ideas, beliefs, claims, sensations, statements. This, whatever is happening, is so goddamn unpractical. You cannot use whatever is happening for anything but for the sense or the idea or the belief that you can or you can't, which is already just this. This is it. Standing somewhere and talking to a phone or sitting somewhere and hearing these words is just simply this. This is it. So now what? Maybe there's an idea. Now I really get it. I really do, SandeLiiiinchen. I get it so much, thank you. Well, great. That's it.